Hello, everyone. My name's Rick McCutcheon, and today we're at Directions North America 2026 in Orlando, Florida, and we're talking to Directions leadership, and we're going to start with Tammy. Tammy, introduce yourself. Tell the people who you are and what you do.
All right. Hi, Rick. Tammy Radecke. I am VP of Delivery Operations at Western Computer. I have been in the NAV/BC community for over 15 years and have been attending Directions for, since I started doing consulting. So, I mean, I wouldn't say I was at the very first one. I'm not going to admit to that age, but I've been there, been coming to quite a few. I know when I first attended, there were a couple hundred people attending, quite different than what we see now.
Now we're going to have 1,200 of your best friends coming to this conference. So let's talk a little bit. You're a new director for Directions, which is congratulations. It's fantastic. Talk about that journey as a volunteer and how did you get to be a director?
So I am friendly with a lot of the board members. And over the years, Amy Homan, our current president, when I see her at these conferences, has mentioned to me a couple times, we're looking for a treasurer, if you're ever considering joining the board. And so over the years, of course, I have been, busy here at times. I felt like I'd reached a point where I was ready to give back. I had the time to give back. And just so happened that a treasurer role was coming open. And so I was voted in last year. So I'm coming up on my year anniversary.
Okay, outstanding. And for those who don't know, Directions is run by volunteers. Everybody has a full-time job, and running this organization must be challenging. So talk a little bit now that you're a director. How's it been?
It's been interesting. I had no idea what it takes to put on a conference of this size, right? From just the planning for the food, that is very important to everybody I've discovered, to the layout of the conference, right? And how it's so important for the flow and our sponsors to get everything that they need. We are split into, of course, different roles. Mary's in marketing, we've got Ryan sponsorship, but all of us, when we come together in our board meetings, get to discuss, and I learn a little about what everybody does, and I'm learning more and more. It takes a lot to put this conference on, and I really had no idea, and I appreciate it so much more now.
Absolutely. So, now you're a board member, and you're going to be helping steer the ship. Directions is unique. I've got to say, coming into this conference 5 or 6 years ago, the level of help, the level of networking, the level of camaraderie, we'll say, within this ecosystem of Business Central is outstanding. What do you see going forward? How is that going to continue on with Directions? So
I do see things shifting. So when this first started, when I was first attending, it really was about partners coming together, right, to help each other. Because as we were working with Microsoft, trying to figure out the best way to deal with the licensing, the upgrades, and all of that. And so partners came together and said, how can we all want to succeed together. What can we do to help each other out, which is great. And I do think it continues to be that. But what, being at the partner I am at right now, what I hear from my leadership is what can Directions do for my team, right? So we've talked about different ways of making sure that when people are attending, right, it's not just about the leadership, it is about the attendees and what they can come away with and how that's going to help them contribute in their roles.
And I think we're going to go through some change with AI, right?
Yes.
We've got to start using it internally in our own companies and then delivering it to the SMB community, which is going to be a challenge.
Absolutely. And that it is, everybody knew it was coming, but the speed at which AI is hitting us is causing all of us to reconsider how we are approaching our customers, how we are approaching how we run our projects, right? And the first thing, in the last 2 months, I've had the sales team come to me and ask me, customers are asking us how we're using AI to run our projects so it can be cheaper for them, right? And we have to have answers for them.
And I'm sure you do, right?
Yes.
Because, that's sort of a key message of AI, how it's going to help you with resources.
Yes.
But I think it not only you can do things faster, I think we're finally going to be able to do things we couldn't do before, especially around separated systems and applications and being able to even move people to the cloud.
Absolutely. It used to be years ago when I was first doing implementations, you had all these disparate systems that you wanted to bring together into one ERP. We're back to, no, you want best in class. You can have all these different systems outside and connect, and AI is going to help immensely with all of that, right? And the other thing I'm seeing with AI, it's not, yes, we're going to be doing new things and things we couldn't before, but we're also just adding a layer of quality to the work that we've always been doing, right? And so we can do it, we have a little more confidence in it, we can do it faster, and it's got that high quality.
And I think with the growth of Business Central, I know last fall in Poznan at the European conference, they announced 50,000 companies now on Business Central. Hopefully Microsoft will have another number for us, at this conference this year, but it's going to keep growing and it's going to grow fast. And I think that the new partners that are getting involved with Business Central are going to find out about directions and they're going to show up here for help.
Yes, that is what we're hoping for. We're trying to get the word out. We're trying to show the value that we can add here and how much we can learn and grow together.
Okay. Well, Tammy, thank you for your time today and thank you for volunteering and making Directions such a great event.
Absolutely. Loving doing it.
Have a great day and bye for now.
Thank you.